Okay guys, this pile of plastic that you see is to replace the crankshaft sensor on a BMW X5. E70, this is the N52 6-cylinder 3-liter engine. Wanted to go for a ride today, and my car started to throw that stupid code, and so instead of towing the boat, we are just getting ourselves a hobby fixing this car. So we are replacing the crankshaft position sensor. It's quite a bit of hassle. Not very sure if you realistically can, with the skills that you have, get that sensor replaced without really taking out the intake manifold. It's lots of work. There are videos on how to do that. I suggest you look for the videos that are on the starter replacement, because the procedure is very similar, except that we don't take the starter out for that sensor replacement. I'm under time crunch. Unfortunately, I can't get an OEM off the internet, so I went to O'Reilly's and got that what they have there for $130, which is even more expensive than the OEM part. I really hope it works. Again, I'm under time crunch. I need to tow something today, and I won't be able to get to the OEM. I really wish and hope that it works so that I don't have to do all the job. The best thing really to do is always to get the original BMW parts. We know how tricky it gets with aftermarket parts, especially when it's related to the engine. But anyhow, once you have the intake manifold out, and it's quite a bit of job because of all those plastic crap that's there, and the holders, and all the pipes that snap off as you try to take the whole thing off. But there are videos on that. Again, I'm not gonna go through that process. The only thing is, so your sensor would be here. So here is the starter, right? And the sensor will be down there. You can see it clearly. That's the sensor. Okay guys, it is a number 8, as you see, and it came off without a lot of resistance, so the torque is not that high. I don't have the spec on for that, but basically you should over tighten it. The aftermarket didn't come with the O-ring or with this bolt, so I will have to reuse it. Out with the old and with the new. I have to say that the sensor harness did not fit very well on this aftermarket $139 piece. I had to take it out, make sure that the prongs are well aligned, put the sensor on, sort of connect the harness outside, and then put them all back together and bolt them. I don't know, I hope this thing works really.